Today we're gonna try the most famous dish here in Uzbekistan and Central Asia, which is the plov. We are just in front of the center where they are cooking, and all the steps we're gonna see it together. Guys, today we are in very special place. So today we're gonna try the most famous dish here in Uzbekistan, which is the plov. So here people, they are coming from around the world to see what Uzbeki they eat. This is the plov, which is rice, carrots, chickpeas, and many other things are cooking. They are all busy. We are exactly now, guys, on the kitchen of the plov in Uzbekistan, and this kitchen is open for everyone. People, they come here to watch. It's a touristic spot as well. They come here to watch and to see how the process it happened of the rice in front of everyone. This is the most biggest khazan which is here. They cook 1 ton of plov, which is form of rice and meat and chickpeas, carrots, kishmish, many other things. There is a small, and it's all full of fire, by the way. That is fire with charcoal from down. They are keeping it. He will keep the charcoal inside. Wow. And it's too hot here actually. So that's how the process happens. First thing, you have to make the fire, you have to keep it on hot, and then you can start cooking on top of it. That's why the food tastes more different. It's not like the stove, because they cook it on the charcoal by itself. There is a yellow carrot. We know the orange carrot, guys, but this is yellow carrot. There is no difference, but here they put it in the plov. Maybe there is other benefits. Here they close it because it needs to be closed, because some things it needs to be cooked. There is like a technique. Too hot, as you can see the fire from there. So guys, you know this khazan, how many liters of oil? It's 13 liters of oil, around 19 kilo of meat daily. It's in this small khazan, but the more bigger one, I will show you, will get shocked really how many liters of oil they use. This big khazan, they are using, see how big it is, but they are using 50 liters of oil here with 200 kilo of meat inside this one. So as you can see, it's all full of meat and full of oil, because they like the meat and oil. And this food, they started since 10th century. They're starting doing this food, palau, because it's all full of protein, full of carbs, and full of everything. Watch out. So this is the vibes here, guys. It's too hot. It's sauna really here. Everyone, they are so active and energy. This is the plate, how they will cut the meat. They will come, they will start cutting the meat piece by piece, and they will add this egg. That's a quail egg. So here they have quails. They are keeping it somewhere, and they will using the and they are keeping the quail eggs as well with the rice, because as well I told you, the important here for the dish, it's the protein, the carbs, and all the benefits for the body. So you don't need any food all day. This is as well a fresh bread in Uzbeki style. So he will keep it inside there. Everything, it's a traditional way. So they will keep it inside, and then he will bring it so hot here. So everything is traditional style here, and it's like in front of you by your eyes. So here each day they will cook 1 ton of rice, and in 4 to 5 hours it will be finished, all of it. Here I have to pass. I'm worried if I will get burned from here. And then let's go. It's really so strong, the fire. In Central Asia, all of it, in Russia and many other countries, neighbors, it's so famous, this plate, and the Uzbeki, they know how to do it in so proper way. Uzbekistan already finished, guys. This one, onion, they cut it properly, and the carrot, it looks like a potato, but it's carrot. I'm worried if I will be on fire now, because this is all fire. I don't know how come the people here, they're coming and they are working every day. It's really too hot. So here, as you can see here, they're putting the yellow carrot, with the meat and with the onion and with the oil. That's the first step, and then they will add the rice on top of it. And in each khazan there will be one chef and his assistant, so they will be helping him, and he will be guiding them to complete the biggest one. And this is the most like the famous chef for this one, so he's the one who is taking care. And this is the plate, how it will be the final result. They will be keeping some rice and some sauce on top of it with the meat. Let's try it and let's find out is it really worth it and delicious or no. Yeah, there is a secret as well. I'm gonna let you know regarding staying outside better or inside and the prices. I will let you know, and I will gonna buy some and we're gonna buy a plate as well, so we will know the price, is it really worth it or no. And let's see. Besh Kozon. This is the famous restaurant here. You will see many restaurants look in the same picture. They're keeping it, but this is the famous here, so I'll be keeping it for you as well, the location, so you can come here. People, there is a restaurant where you can come as well and sit. You can be sitting here with your family. There is a place. It's a nice area, and there is inside as well if you want. Here the place is so crowded inside. No place to sit. And this is the bird. I found their place. This is how they are keeping them.
So fast. Super fast. Super fast service. Express service. Because it's crowded.
So guys, finally our plov, it's here. As you can see, it's full of many things. Like there is chickpeas, there is a carrot, rice. So it looks beautiful actually, not only it smells rice, nice, smell meat too much, but it looks so beautiful. See, this is how your spoon, it will be full. It feels healthy. So now let's see. But by the way, the secret I said I'm gonna tell you. You have to go and take your ticket by yourself, like you go pay by yourself in the cashier, so that time it will be more cheaper. But when you sit here by yourself and ask them to bring it for you, they will take their service charges, which is more around 12 to 10, between 10 to 12% extra charges. See, I'm giving you, this is local secrets. So, and most of the people here, you will see them Kazakhstani people, because yes, you'll tell me finish eating, but it's fine, let me tell you this. Most of the people here, they are mostly Kazakhstani people. They come here because it's sunny from here, so you hear as well they are Kazakhstani, lots of people here, and they like to eat this plov. So let's try. Say Bismillah. To be honest, it tastes so good, but the rice, it's not cooked well. Not sure why, or maybe this is their Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistani, sorry. It's really tastes so good. I can give 10 from 10 from the taste, but the rice is not cooked. Let's try the meat. The meat. Bismillah. Love it. Really, guys. So delicious. Wow. So guys, the battery stopped, but to be honest, for me, as an honest review, I really loved it, but there is oil. For people that don't like oil, it will be oily, but it is delicious. You like cooked rice, you will not like it if you like too much cooked rice, because this rice is not really well cooked, but the taste is really worth it. It's nice to try and discover other people's culture and enjoy their food. Must to visit. That's why this place is so crowded. It's really worth to visit. So we paid 38,000 som for the rice for one plate, and we paid as well 15,000 som for the cola and the salad, so you can enjoy your food. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to support always with liking this video and sharing. I know these countries are small countries, so the videos doesn't reach to many people as going to big countries, but my people always watching me. Don't forget to support me always with your like and subscribe and comment as well, so I know that the video reached to you. Thank you.